Hello friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the display language on your Google Sheet document. So all you have to do, guys, once you're inside your Google Sheet, you can click File in the upper left hand side, go down to Settings, and here you'll have Display Language. Click on the language that is currently displaying blue, and once you do that, it's going to take you over to the language section. Keep in mind that if you might see one language available there, but if you want to add another language, just simply go ahead and click on the Add Another Language button. Choose the language that you want. So let's say I want to add, for example, Espanol. I can click on that and I can choose whatever. So I'm going to choose España. Click on Save, and you will see that I add the new language here. Then from here, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and move up this language here to my preferred language. As you can see, I move it up to preferred, and you can see immediately it changed right there. So that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and change your display language on your Google Sheet document. Very easy and very simple.